Hi guys, I am here in the cacao tree guys, looking for the fruit of cacao. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Juliet Honcolada Mendoza. I will let you see the situation of our cacao at my backyard. Try to see the different color of cacao guys. Have you seen that guys? Orange and maroon. Okay guys. Try to see here guys, there is also a color yellow and green guys, and the maroon is here. Okay guys, have you seen this guys? Okay, the fruit of the cacao tree is a large elongated pod, and the seed inside the pods are known as cocoa beans as the source of chocolate. The fruit of the cacao tree comes from various color depending on the genetic and degree of ripeness, like green, yellow, orange, red, purple, and maroon. This is all about our videos today guys. Thank you guys for seeing my YouTube channel.